We thought we'd make a quick video about our bounce plays because every once in a while when we send out one of our free picks, we send out a bounce play. And so we got several good examples from today that we profited nicely on. So we thought we'd share those with you to show you how to play our bounce plays. This first one is SQNM, and this is what the chart looked like going into today. In other words, last night when I found it, wrote this one up as a bounce play. I mean, 24 straight down to 16 something in 4 sessions. So we had it on Bounce Watch. And now I'll show you the intraday chart. These are 5-minute candles. Look at this horizontal line there is where we say to buy. In other words, over the 30-minute high, it hit 1670 right here, so I'm going to put a horizontal line through it. And look what happened after it broke 1670. Went all the way up in pretty short period of time to 1768. Scaled out of it on the way up and had a really nice profit in that one. So Las Vegas Sands LVS is another one. This thing's just been getting killed on the daily. From 6 straight down to below 350 in 5 sessions. This is what it looked like last night when I found the chart. Called it as a potential. And now whenever I say bounce play, it means it's a potential bounce play. Doesn't mean we're going to play it. We want to see a break at the 30-minute high. Right here, 353 was the high. These are 5-minute candles, so I'll put the horizontal line there. Over that, look what happened. Triggered at 353 all the way to 416 for a 17% profit potential in one morning, I should say, on LVS. MGM, another casino. We found this one. We kind of played it as a sympathy off LVS. When LVS took off, we brought this one to our attention. This is what it looked like last night. 960 down to 594 in about a week. Let's go to today's intraday chart now. And it had a nice run early, and then when it put in this high at 613, hit 613 twice here, 5-minute candles, pulled back down. At this point, somewhere around here, Las Vegas Sands was running, hit new highs for the day. So I called this one over 613. Let me draw the horizontal line there. So 614 right here is where it triggered. And not huge, but ended up going in very short period of time to 649, nice percentage gainer, and then all the way to 662 as high of the day. And again, as always, trigger here, stop here, very close. So don't ever take big risks on our trades. We always have, picks that trigger that have a very close stop. Otherwise, we won't play them. Okay, and one last casino, WYNN, Wynn Resorts. This is what it looked like last night. From 37 down to 25. It's a big drop in about a week. Let's go to today's intraday. 5-minute candles. Here's your 30-minute high because these are 5-minute candles and back down. So over 2701. Triggered here. Our stop was here. So we had to play this a little smaller because our stop was a little wider. 2701, and this thing peaked out today at 28.99. Another really nice profit potential. We had 4 bounce plays today on watch, and all of them worked very nicely. And again, we'll try to follow up with more videos, but just wanted to share the bounce play because we do send those out every now and then as a free pick. So if you ever have a bounce play, you can see a little bit of how they work, and really real quick, the reason why they work. Let's go back to the daily again. I'll make it a 13-day chart so you can see it better. Shorts have to take profits too. It's just that plain and simple. When something falls from 37 to 25, $12 in a week, everyone who shorts making money every day, but at the same time, all of a sudden today they see WYNN, for example, hitting new highs for the day, lighting up that new highs streamer, and so all of them that had those nice profits from the sell-off, that's the time when they start to cover. They say, okay, maybe the sell-off's over, and the people who chased it late see the spike in yesterday's volume. Probably a lot of people shorten that there, thinking, okay, it's going to zero. They get too excited that in other words, they're shorting it late. It's like buying something after a 10-day run or whatever, a 5-day run. When you're one of the last ones to buy it, usually you're going to become a weak hand. In other words, you're going to give up pretty easy. So you get that kind of capitulation volume. After a big sell-off, typically you'll get a decent bounce. Now, that's not to say that this is going to keep bouncing. We don't know. But we were only playing it on an intraday basis due to that chart setup. And it worked. All four of them worked nicely for us today. Talk to you soon.